In this video, I'm going to briefly break down how you can get more signups for your website. So one simple tip, of course, there's a lot of different factors, and I'm still learning myself. But one thing that I can say that works is to be clear about who you're serving and what you do for them. So let me give you an example. So this project here is a tool that we built to help entrepreneurs and solo business owners, solopreneurs, so people who are like one-person business owners, organize projects, what they're working on, and things like that. And originally, before the app was released, there was a email link here. So if you look at the bottom, there was a form here where you could put your email and then a link to sign up. So at first, there was no signups coming. So I was sharing that app with different people and finding what was happening. And the main thing was that this part was not clear. It wasn't clear about who this tool was helping. So what I did was, if you look here, this tool is made for entrepreneurs. You look here, it's made for entrepreneurs. So you know, okay, this tool is made for people who are entrepreneurs. And what does it do? Helps you organize what you're doing. It helps you keep everything in one place. If you don't have it clear about what this tool is about, people are not going to sign up for something that they don't know. First of all, is it even for me? Is this tool even for me? And then two, what does it do? So what happened was, as soon as I had the copy, and of course the copywriting has changed many times, but as soon as the copywriting was more clear, we ran ads, and then the sign-up started to come. So that's one tip that I would give is to, when you have a website and you want people to sign up, whether it's for a newsletter, you want people to sign up for something that you're going to release maybe in the future, make sure that it's clear about who the product, the website, whatever it is, make sure it's clear about who it's for and also clear about what it is that it can do for them. You see here, what does this thing do? It lets you organize projects and ideas and keep track of things. So now it's very clear. You come here, if you've never seen this before, you have an idea of what it does. And of course, the copywriting could be improved. We could probably put in here, maybe instead of helps you, say helps entrepreneurs. So of course, there's many things that you can do, but that's one thing that I would say is be clear about who you're serving and what you can do for them. So if you're looking for help on your website, help to improve maybe some of the copywriting, you need help setting up your website, you need help with anything regarding your website or anything, custom software, your Shopify store, whatever might be the case, come to our website, zqdo.info. From there, I'll recommend you click on Start Here, watch this video, short video about who we are, see if we're a right fit, what we can do for you. And once you finish this video, you come here, you click Learn More. It will take you to more of our services. You have our contact email here, which is zqdo.tech@gmail.com. If you want to send us an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. And of course, we have our work, some of our projects, we have our process. So if you have any questions about setting up your website, any question that you have at all, send us an email, zqdo.tech@gmail.com. We'll come to our website, zqdo.info. I'll try my very best to help and see if I can get back with you as soon as possible.